Good afternoon. My name is Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer of T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友，大家好，欢迎来到今天的直击美股，我是主持人江柳，在华尔街向您问好。周三美股高开，道指表现突出，道琼斯工业平均指数高开近100点，涨幅0.43%，报21,500.66点。其中，在盘中，它一度涨破了21,562.75点，刷新盘中纪录。标普500上涨12.73点，涨幅0.52%。纳斯达克综合指数上涨46.29点，涨幅为0.75%。上午10点，美联储主席珍妮特·耶伦出席了国会众议院听证会。在听证会上，耶伦表示，在今后几年内，美联储将循序渐进地加息，但是加息力度不会有前几次加息力度那么强。但是在谈到什么时候加息以及什么时候缩表的时候，耶伦没有透露更多信息，只是肯定缩表进程将在2017年展开。自2014年开始，美联储就已经停止增持美国国债，但是仍然持有4.5万亿美元的资产负债。3轮量化宽松政策过后，美国经济趋于复苏，因此此时一个正常的货币政策亟待回归。个股方面，亚马逊表现突出。昨天，亚马逊的会员日直接促使了亚马逊的销售额增长，同比增长了60%。这一现象也推动了亚马逊的股价。今天，亚马逊股价上涨0.6%。更多消息，让我们来进行交易员访谈。Hi Scott, we know that a lot of stocks are in red on S&P Cash. So could you please give a recap of the general scenario?
Yes, well, how many times could we test support and not break it? What that usually says, it means we could probably rally. And today was the first day you could have bought a little strength. If you look at the pattern of the S&P Cash, it looks like we could be knocking on the door of all-time highs because of today's gap and go. Let's look at the chart. We've been mentioning this 2407 level, 2400, and what happened yesterday when the news came out that Donald Trump's son let loose the emails. It could have easily broke this. It didn't. So today it gapped up and cleared this descending trend line. So for now, moving forward, if you want, you could be long versus this spot, which is 2435. The longer we hold above this, the higher the probability we take out this 2453 on the road to 2480 plus. But for now, this is a step in the right direction for the bulls to break out of this range.
I see. And actually, we know that Baba and Amazon take lead in the S&P Cash. So do you think it's a good time to long them? And is the momentum behind these two stocks?
Well, it's good to see that tech is starting to lead the way again. And we've spoken about Baba, 50 times in the last 2 months. And I think people that have been watching this program hopefully have it in their long-term accounts or they're trading it, because both ways it's been working. It's been an institutional quality name to own. And then once we started to rally, if you think about relative strength rules, Baba never went below the 8 and 21 day, while most other names went down to the 50 or below. So yesterday, when it broke above 145, I think a lot of guys in Red Laurel All Access probably stepped it up. Why? Because it broke out above a key level after holding the 8 and 21 day. Here is the 50 day. Did Baba come to the 50 day? No. That means there was demand up here, holding it higher, and now it's ready to break out again. Do you buy it tomorrow if it's up? I don't think you chase it on day 4 up, but one of the best stocks to go to. As far as Amazon, it also, is acting well. Didn't act as strong as Baba, but to me, this looks like a candidate to make new all-time highs. This cleared that 974 level that I was talking about after holding longer-term support, and now it does seem like at some point it's going to clear this and be on its way. Earnings are on for a week and a half, so if it wants to do a pre-earnings move, let's see it happen. This is your pivot. This is today's high. It'll be very constructive if it stays above this spot. Let's hope it doesn't revisit it and just goes from here, because I'm long someone. I don't feel like buying the dip.
In contrast with Amazon and Baba, Snap just falls below the IPO. So for those who are having the holdings, do you have any suggestions for those to avoid the loss?
Well, I would say hopefully you have a set of rules and you should never have been buying it. And if you did buy it, you have a stop. What's the rule? Above the 8 and 21 day, you try and be long. Below it, you're out. Below the 50 day, you avoid. Below the 200 day, it's broken. So we go with the 8 and 21 day. And if you look at Snap, because I've traded it since it's been public, okay, there's been a lot of opportunities. Basically right here, I actually remember being long. I remember playing it for a breakout here, and then I was holding it in this spot. saying maybe it breaks above this and continues. What happened? It failed. This is when I get out. What did it do? It broke below the 8 and 21-day moving average. I don't care what the analyst said. I said this was why I was in it. It broke. I'm out. And if you missed that spot, hopefully you got out when it broke this key level here. And now it's been below them since. So it is not a long. And now it's a new all-time low. Maybe you get a red dog reversal for a trade. What does that mean? It goes below 1521, makes a low, comes back up. It's extended. So it's very oversold, but it's very broken. It needs a lot of time to repair itself. I would just avoid it except for day trades.
All right, and so much for day. Thank you very much.
Yes, and keep tuning in because the trade keeps changing, the setups keep happening, money keeps rotating, and you can either be sitting in the key stocks that are holding in technically best or looking for cash flow to play bounces and play breakouts because that's what's starting to set up now.
好的，以上就是今天的全部内容。更多消息，请您继续关注我们的直击美股。我们下期再见。